Was it a genocide or not?
ስለዚህ ጄኖሳይድ ተፈጽሟል አልተፈጸመም?
I believe genocide has been committed in Tigray.
በትግራይ ውስጥ ጄኖሳይድ ተፈጽሟል ብዬ አምናለሁ።
By Abiy Ahmed.
በአብይ አህመድ?
Well, I have to be responsible for my words now.
አሁን ለምናገራቸው ቃላት መጠንቀቅ አለብን።
So you weren't responsible.
ከዚህ በፊት የማይጠነቀቁ ነበሩ ማለት ነው?
I am ready to stand by my position that genocide has been committed.
አሁንም በአቋሜ ለመገኘት ዝግጁ ነኝ።
Genocide has been committed.
I'm confused. Just to clarify for the audience watching, you still believe it was a genocide,
yes,
but you're not willing to say he did the genocide.
ቆይ አልገባኝም። ለተመልካቾች ግልጽ ያርጉላቸው። ጄኖሳይዱ እንደተፈጸመ ያምናሉ፣ ግን አብይ ፈጸመው ብለው ለመናገር አይፈልጉም። ይሄንን እያሉ ነው ያሉት?
Yes.
አዎ።
It was a genocide that just happened by itself.
ታዲያ ጄኖሳይዱ ዝም ብሎ በራሱ ጊዜ ተፈጠረንም?
No, there were so many actors involved.
አይደለም፣ በጦርነቱ እኮ በርካታ ተዋናያን ነበሩ።
Was he one of them?
እኮ አብይ አንዱ ነው።
Well, the war on Tigray was led by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed himself.
በትግራይ የተካሄደውን ጦርነት የመራው እኮ ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር አብይ ነው። እሱማ
So he led the genocide.
ስለዚህ ጄኖሳይዱን መርቶታል።
I mean, we don't have to be that specific.
በዚህ ደረጃ ነጥለን መጥራት አያስፈልገንም።
We do.
He led the war.
That's why we invited you here to find out.
መጥራት አለበት እንጂ እርስዎን የጠራሁት እኮ ለዚህ ነው።
I will give him the
genocide.
opportunity to defend himself in public, in court.
Okay.